Hey Tube, welcome back. Today we start to build a CRUD system with NestJS. We build a basic CRUD system. It will not be something too big. We played a simple to do system, simple to do application. We start first with the we build a basic CRUD create, read, update, delete application using a NestJS, and it will be introduction level. It will be really basic one, and I will outline simple project structure and the basic code required to get you started. In this example or in this video, in this stream, we will try to create the simplest application ever. So let's just start first by the project setup. In the project setup, we basically need to first install Node.js. If you don't have that, I will not go through installing Node.js. You can just find like a other video that install Node.js, and you have to install the NestJS CLI, which will be this command. It will be this command. I put in the description. You can see in the description, and after that you will create your new application by going nest new. Let's just project name, let's call it to do. Yeah, let's work with npm the installation process is in time. Let's give takes time. We have this application, we have our own application right now. We will go through everything here, the source, the test, everything here. So your application, your basic CRUD application will have, we have a to-do module, and we will have a to-do service and a to-do controller. So first, let's just start by defining the module. So if you ask what, okay, we have done, okay, everything looks great, everything looks fine, we have everything we need. Okay, so any service or any CRUD system you are creating, as we said before, you start with the module. After that you create a service, and endly you'll create your controller. What is a model, what is a service, and what is a controller? So basically, let me I have a problem here. Give me a minute. So the model in the give me a minute. What is okay, so let's see what we should do. Okay, so you can think about the module is that modules in NestJS, like modules are typically used in conjunction with services and repositories to handle business logic and data interactions. Like let's try to maybe my word is not that easy to understand, but basically a module in NestJS typically represents the structure of data. It defines the schema or the blueprint for the data that your application will handle. So let's just start by defining the module, because the module is everything starts with the module. So we'll create a file we call to-do.model.ts. Okay, module. Module. Yeah, module.ts. So we create. We try to create a class blueprint of how our to do will look like. So export class to do, and we we'll have I guess we could have like yeah, okay, that would be great. ID, title, description, and let's call it is done. Is done, not done. Is done. It will be true or false. So this is the blueprint. This is the module of our to do. It's a blueprint of of our data. And when we finish the to do, we go to next to do to create the service. So let's just try to create a service. So I will create I will do it like that. What in order to create a service, you will we will generate a service using the NestJS CLI. So we create nest generate service. We call it to do's. Oh no. 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 Let's put here. Okay, so we have our to-dos right now. So we try to implement the CRUD operations in the to-dos. So let's just go here and see the service. You have the service. You have the description of the service. You have everything here. We have todos.servers.ts. We have the injectable from nest.js. We will talk about that in the future, but let's assume that it's there. So okay, let's not assume it's there. So give me a minute. So the injectable NestJS it's like a decorator is the injectable decorator is a fundamental aspect of a framework's dependency. It's like in the injection system, like this decorator makes a class as a provider that can managed by the NestJS dependency injection containers. Like because of that, it's quite important to have when we have any application. So let's start again here. We will try to import the module. So we'll say import we have a problem here. Import I think we should do it in the source. Move. Okay, that's great. Import we import the to do from ts to do.module, and we try to create the we have the injectable here, and we have the class which is the to do service. First we start with a private because it should be private to do's, and it will be like array of the to do's. And we will start with create first. So let's just create, and we create one to do, and the to do we will have to do will have the structure of what basically it's have the structure of this one. And if we want to create, we will do like this dot to do's dot push this to do, and we try to find all, and we just return to do's. And if we want to find one, we will have the ID, which will be number, and we return the to do's. This no, the ID string is not a number, and we will return. It will not be like that at all. It will be this dot to do's dot find to do. Yeah, okay, this is right, and this is not. Yeah, we return to do the ID This comparison appears to be because the types of number. The ID is a string or number? Ah. Okay. So after that we create an update one. So update, it will be the ID will be string, and the new to do, which will be a partial of to do, because it could be a partial of to do because we don't need to make it like maybe we know like we want to create like one thing from to do. We don't create the full to do. So the update, it will be one, it will be like that, and we will have const to do to update. It will be this, the find one. We will find it by ID, and we have the find one here, and I will say if to do, I will say object dot assign that to do updates to the do. So basically I updated it. I guess we have lastly to delete that do. Delete, we have the ID string, this that do, that filter, anything that doesn't equal to do. I guess everything is great, everything worked fine. We need to add the last thing, which is to create the to do controller. So let's go to todos.control.tts. We can make it in the app as well. So yeah, we can make it as the app. Let's make it in the app. So we have to add some things here. We can add the delete. We can add the get. We want to add, we have get already. We want to add the param as well. We want to add the post. We want to add the put. And I guess we had everything. And I should add the to-do service. So import to do from to do model, and import to do service from to do service. And we have the app service here, and we have it here, get hello. Let's just start one by one. So I could delete this one, but let's just say, okay, we start with the constructor here, and I say, okay, read only, it will be to do service. And we have the to do, wait a minute, it will be to do service, and it will be equals to the to do service. And let's just delete this git. We don't need this git. And I guess it works like that. Yup. Okay, so we start by implementing the first one, which will be the post. And the post, it will be, we create body, it will be to do, and to do's body only refers to type, but it's being used as a value here. Why it's not working? This dot to do service dot why it's wrong? And the module, everything looks fine. Yeah, okay, it's working now. Okay, great. So we have we could add the get. Yep, and it will be we do like find all, the first one, because we have find all, and we return to do the service dot find all. And we have another get here that we'll add, which is to find one. But wait a minute, this find one, it will have a param, which will be there, the ID. That's right. Let me just put this here. So I would say the find one, it will be like a find one. I will take the params, it will be ID and it will equals to string, and I expect to return to do and return this .do service find one ID. Okay, that's great. We have the put also, it's with ID, and I would say update param.id, and it will be to do partial. And I don't expect that I will return something here. I guess we have the last thing, which will be the delete, and it will be delete, and be params. The ID will be string, and we run this function, which will be delete. And it's pretty simple, as you can see. It's really easy. It's really easy to do all of that. If I will do this with Express.js, it will take me time. So let's run. Let's see if we can just npm run start. We have a problem because cd to do we have a problem. Population was from this. We have the modules. We didn't import it in the modules. Let's see. We have the app service controller. We should add the we should add the module. So let's see. We have the app controller here. App controller. The to-dos first. We have the service. So I want to add the service. Where would you add the service? Add the service where? Yeah, I guess we add the service here. No, we add it in the app controller, I guess. Yeah, we're in the app controller. Let's copy this one and let's go to the app module. And the controller, the module, which the provider, I guess, will be the service. And the controller, I guess I will remain with the app controller. I guess, yeah. The module, yeah, it will be like that. Let's run again and see. Okay, it's fine. It's working. It's great. So as you can see, it's really easy and simple to create an application, to create a system and a CRUD system with NestJS. And this one is just a quick, application. We don't touch that much into details in NestJS, but we just try to make sure that we gathering everything. In the upcoming videos, we'll try to talk about the controllers. We try to talk about the modules. We try to talk about the maybe other things more, but this one is just a good introduction to put your hands dirty with it. So that's it for today's stream. And if you like streams better or more than the actual videos, just feel free to give me a comment. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problem.